DJM TV.
More to give you just a pinch to begin to fight your brothers and sisters. Believe me, if you have put your hand into this thing that I'm saying today, to go and fight against your own people, believe me, from today withdraw yourself. If you have gone in, please go now and withdraw yourself. Go out from there, because it's not gonna be easy for every one of us. But you, I am pleading to you, my people, because now I know that they are manipulating people that has nothing to do, people that are gullible, people that they believe that those people we call elites, that they know what they are doing. We call them, we respect them as our Lord. We respect them as our elders. Regardless, they has nothing upstairs to offer. We respect them. But I am telling you, don't respect those people that are telling you to go and begin to fight your brothers. Don't listen to them. Ignore them, please. I am begging you, and I'm telling my people, for those, and as I'm talking to you, please, my people, I want you to share this video. It doesn't matter. Share the video so that our people will understand what we are talking about. Because now our governors, some people are now forming a vigilante groups. Some people, as I'm talking to you right now, they are doing it. They have already finalized their meeting. They have already did the meeting already. They are now want to attack the ESN. This is what they are planning. And they are recruiting some vigilantes that they are in some villages. They are using traditional rulers. As I'm talking to you now, I don't lie to you. They are using traditional rulers. They are using our elites. They are using all these people we call red caps. At this moment, as I'm talking to you, they are using them to manipulate, to use our young generation, those that will fight for Biafra to come, those that will build Biafra when Biafra will come. Because believe me, we are the people that are going to build Biafra. You know, when they are talking about how can you build Biafra this, we are going to voluntarily build Biafra the way people are just voluntarily to put themselves in this position to guide their land Biafra. This is how we will also volunteer to build Biafra. And as we are building it, you will see people that will come out willingly to work without getting paid, because they want their land to be standard. We want to compete with European. When we are talking about European, not every European, we are talking about Schengen. We are talking about Schengen, because not every Europe is in Schengen. Not every Europe is in this thing they are calling you Western world. We are talking about the Western world here, my people. So all those our brothers, they want to deceive. All those our sisters, they want to deceive, to go and begin to fight against their people. Begin now to understand that they want to use you people. And just what you have to say no to them. You have to say no to them. This is what you're going to do. Because if you think that you are going to be getting small money from them, sorry, my people, they're going to deceive you people. They are coming, they are deceivers. Believe me, they are deceivers. There's a lot of things like going on right now, that the way they are finding a way to stop all this thing we are doing, but believe me, they can never stop it. We have already out. There is no two ways of going. There's no two ways of going back. And we are keep on warning our people. Let it be played and also be warning. It's not a threat. It's not a threat. We are not threatening anybody. But we are giving our people warning for them to understand the mess that these people want to put them into. Because if you try and go against and go to attack the people that are coming to guide you, believe me, you will not go scot-free. It will be a genocidal. Believe me. It will be see me and see you. No more brother. Brother will end. Believe me, because you know what these people want to do now? They want to end our brothers and sisters' relationship. That is what they are doing. And that is why I'm pleading to my people right now, for them to use their common sense and understand what these people are planning. They are coming. Just, I want you people to watch how crowd of those people that volunteer themselves to come out and say, have you seen the video? You saw the video. And now they want to use some small group of vigilantes to go and put themselves in danger, to go and fight millions, crowd. You know, it's not going to be easy. And why I'm saying this to my people is like, they want to use our people against our people. And when we are now beginning to fight each other, who are those people that are going to fight enemy? This is what I'm asking you, because some people are saying that eastern region of that contraption called Daminebuzu, that they are most safest place. They are coming for you. They are coming. When they finish with North, they are coming for you. They are just keep on deceiving you people. They don't want you people to be prepared. That is what they are doing. They don't want you to get prepared of what is about to come. They want you to relax, to sit in your home, just drinking and eating, and the day they will come, it will be like a thief. They will come like a thief. And by that time, you have nothing to defend yourself. That is what we are seeing so far, telling our people that we have to defend ourselves. We have to find every means to get all those equipment, to get all those facilities that we will use to defend ourselves before they will come. Because for them to, if they will come, they will come. And it's true. I'm not lying to you, my people. I want you people to think about Hausa people. I want you people to think about the Yoruba Oduduwa, the land from Oduduwa they have been taken. Don't you think that they are coming? Haven't you seen a reverend from Yoruba Oduduwa? He have come out and stand and tell Oduduwa, what you need is Oduduwa Republic. Believe me, there's no two ways about it. And if Oduduwa did not get their republic, believe me, they will take the whole land of Oduduwa. And when they take the whole land of Oduduwa, they will come for you, Biafra. If they can be able to conquer Hausa people and come to Oduduwa and conquer all of them, what do you think that they will not conquer you? They will gather together now, Oduduwa and Fulani people, they will come now and conquer you. And it will be very easy. And when they conquer Biafra with Oduduwa, the whole Africa have been conquered. That is what we are trying now to bridge so that it will not get to our land. Some of people are saying before that they did not succeed during the time of our great fathers, grandfathers. Yes, they did not succeed. But if we fold our hands and think that they did not succeed by then, they can succeed by now. If we fold our hand, believe in me, there is a lot of, in that contraption today, there is a lot of mineral resources they have found they can use to fund all this, their mission. If we fold our hands, and there is a lot of countries that they are ready to help them with the mineral resources they have there. I want you always think about this, because most of our people, when you are telling them something, they will be telling you it's impossible. My great people, especially great people of Biafra, everything is possible. Everything in this life is possible, unless you don't put effort, unless you don't put it in process. If you put it at work, it will be possible. Let us stop confusing ourselves or deceiving ourselves. When they remove an organ, we said it's impossible, impossible. But today, Tanko Mohammed is there, and we keep on saying it's possible. It's impossible. They are killing people in southern part of Nigeria, northern part of Nigeria, destroying everything. We are saying it's impossible that you will not come in Biafra land. How can you say that it's impossible? We are still in moment in the same country. How can you say that it's impossible? If you are not in the same country, I will tell you, okay, it's not impossible. But as far as you are still in the same caucus, it's impossible. Everything is possible. So what I'm telling my people now is like, because all to say asu no Igbo can asu an Igbo can buy na na fa na akọ maka ndị nna okenye iozi nne wetara unu n'ụbọchị nke tata ka unu mala no nwogasi ndị na-akpa nkata maka ESN ewepụtara ndị odozi obodo, ndị na-echekwa obodo, ndị na-dozi obodo na-eme ka udo dị n'obodo. Ndị ba anyị bụ IPOB maka incha niile bụ ụmụ Biafra. Onweghị onye ya sị na eburu ụmụ Biafra. We are all Biafras to come and safeguard our land. Ka ndị omempụ na ndị oshi na ndị ama na ndị efulefu ndị na-akọ inyo ka ha ga na wee na-akpọpụtasị ụmụazụ wee chọọ ka a na-eyuzu sensị ụmụnna anyị ka ha gaa na-ebuso ndị ya echekwa obodo anyị nche ka a ga na-ebuso ha agha ka anyị na-agba ha doo ụmụnne m ka nna ayọ a na-ama ayọkwanụ ndị okenye bikos ama na o nwere ihe efu gwafa ka afa kweta efe na-agwa ha. People that I'm pleading now and yo biko bụ ndị ahụ ọbara ha na-anụ ọkụ dịka mụnwa enwere ike pụtara wee tọrọ na kọbọ ka ebido wee deceive ba ha. Ọ bụ ndị nna agba n'ụbọchị nke taata ka ha ghọta na ndị ahụ bịara ogbugbu ndị ahụ bịara inye gị ego ahụ jụọ ha why ha ji wee ya enyeghị ego ahụ n'ahọ gara aga. Why ha ji wee ya set ụdị ndị na-echekwa obodo why ha ji wee ya set ha n'ahọ nke gara aga. Why ha ji wee ya set ụnụ ọnwa nke ịtọ gara aga. Why ha ji wee ya set ụnụ ọnwa nke ịbụọ gara aga. Why o ji wee bụzie kịta anụnwa ndị IPOB wepụtara sị ka anyị gosi obere ka ha nwazi na ha ya ewepụtazi ndị ya echerefa nche. Ụmụnne m ihe nna agwa ụnụ bụ ka anyị nwa hie ịsa hie ịsatọ ka anyị mala ebe mmiri si wee banye n'opi ụgbọgụlụ because ọ ihe anyị abanye mara sorry my people anyị ghọta ihe na-eme anyị wee mara ebe anyị esi wee na-egbochi ya. So my people, that is what I'm about, what I'm telling you my people. Please, I am pleading, share the video for me so that people will get this video even though now or when the video will be end, so that people will understand that we need to tackle all these things. We need to stop those people that are coming. Ndị na-abịa no ka ha yuzuo ụmụnna anyị ụmụnwanna anyị maka agụrụ because they know our problem. All of them knows the problem of that contraption is hunger. Hunger is the problem. That is why they put us in this situation that we must keep on be hungry so that they can be able to penetrate us, so that they can be able when we say if was here boy fine when ndị ọzọ. Ụmụnne m ana m ayọ unu biko wee na-asị unu ka unu mala ife unu na-eme onye na-eme no ya mala enye ya ego believe me ọ bụ m nsị unala ego ri ego wala onwe onye makwa na onye bụ nuso ha ọgụ abịazi iju ego buso ha agha jenu join no ụmụ ihe na-echekwasị obodo ajọs we ndị ahụ bụ ndị ya edozi obodo anyị ndị ahụ bụ ndị Chukwu okike abịa ama gbasigo n'ume wee wepụta ha sị na ndị a na ha chọrọ ichekwa obodo hapụ nke a na-eme na because ngwụ na eziokwu no this strategy ha chọrọ use na ha bịa now ha nwere ike ibido inye bụ na onye ọbụla abịa nye onye ọbụla 30,000 a ya enye ụnụ how many months ka a ya enye ụnụ ego ihe a ya eme ụnụ bụ enye ụnụ ya na ka ụnụ wee jee kwasa ihe ndị ya edozi obodo ụnụ akwasacha ya ebido ogbugbu ụnụ. When they will break it, they will begin to kill you people. That is it. Believe me, that is it. They want to destroy us. They want to distract us. They don't want us to focus. They just want to useless us. When we fight against our people, they will be back to us. They will come back. Ask me a question. Have all those people that are bringing vigilantes, that are conniving together now with the traditional rulers, because what they are doing now, they are conniving with the traditional rulers. Traditional rulers, those people will think that they have enough knowledge. Those people will think that we call our father. Those people that we always bow down for. This is the people they are about to use now to connive together and begin to form some vigilantes group that they will come or they will go against ESN. And believe in me, I am telling you, my people, whosoever that do that, whosoever that have that in their mind, believe in me, he or her will never go scot-free. Believe in me, any day we find the person, he will never go scot-free. Or even though we don't find them, we keep on telling them, believe in me, none of them will go scot-free. And those our brothers and sisters, they are about to deceive, or some of them, they have already deceived. That is why I'm telling you people, because this thing is going to be a suicidal. It's not going to be easy for both anybody. For anybody. Whosoever it may concern. For you people to understand it now and take precaution and reason why those people did not start all these things since we were begging them to just start something that will guide our land. Why did they not ever start it? Why? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Why now? Because they are deceivers. Because they are coming to distract us in whatever we are doing. But believe me, my people, we are resolute. Some people are still waiting for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to keep on talking. And you, when he will start, you are calling him talkative. Now he have stopped. You are forcing him to come out and speak. But Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is a wise man. He can never speak to you people. You people are just bunch of fools with lack of no common single sense. You people have no sense at all. You people are just moron roaming about like idiots on the street. Don't know your left from your right. And that is why we are here to correct all those things. That whosoever that put in hand on this process or trying to join them, believe me, you will never survive it. You can never. Remember that majority carries the vote. That is what you always have to put at the back of your mind. That majority carries the vote. How many are you people? I keep on telling my people I have placed the account of our volunteers. They have to get paid till they are drinking water. We people have to help them. Go out there and help them. Fund them. Help them so that they will not take over your land. Believe in me, all this your mansion, very soon they will take it over. But I believe in me, as we are here, the indigenous people of Biafra, whosoever it may concern, because we are Biafrans. I keep on telling people, don't let people deceive you. From the beginning, Ijo, Isoko, Ibibio, Ewankeo, Anamo, Edo, anywhere you come from till Igbo land, we are all Biafrans. We are all IPOB. Because some people are keep on deceiving themselves. They don't understand the meaning of IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra. You are indigenous person. So why do you want to sideline yourself from what we are doing? Don't sideline yourself and later you begin to say that people are sidelining you while you are the one that causing the problem that are hitting you. So my people, I keep on telling our people now, get it into your skull, get it into your head, let it enter into your oblaganda that if you ever join those people, these traditional rulers that are coming right now, because they have already seated. They have already mapped out and planned what they are about to do. They have already planned it. And that is the plan, is what I'm telling my people. So that they can take the precaution and caution themselves in what that is about to come. What is about to come? They are about to begin to buy our people. They are coming to begin to deceive our people. They are coming to manipulate the little sense. They just want to use it to take over our land. Begin to pay them. How much are they going to pay you? I want to ask you something, my people. Ask those people that are into Nigerian military, how much are they receiving? Some of them today, for almost 5 months, they never receive salary. Don't you know about that? Go and ask them. It's in public domain. They never receive salary up to 4 months, 5 months. Some of them, even though some of them 1 year, they never receive salary. They keep on promising them. But the Fulani Alamajiri, Boko Haram, Mayati Allah, they are receiving salary every single day. You never thought about that? But now they are coming to deceive you with 20,000 naira. They are coming to deceive you with 40,000, 30,000. The payment that they will pay you once. And all things that you have already built, they will destroy it. Because this is how they manipulate the brain of our people. African people, I don't blame a lot of African, because this is this is how they put us. This is the condition they have given Africa. And we, the light of Africa, are coming. That is why you see in the Biafran flag, we have the colors there. Right? We have red, we have black, and we have green. That is the reason why all these colors are there. The blood that our heroes and heroines have shared, the people that have been massacred from the day one up to date in our land, that is the blood. And when you see the black in the middle, you will see that Africa is dark. Africa is totally dark. That is why you have the sun there that will make the light to shine in Africa. And the green down there is the mineral resources that Chukwu Okike Abiyama Elohim give to us. And we have it. And that is why I'm telling my people that if you eventually connive with these people, those resources that the Chukwu Okike Abiyama give to you, they will use it against you people. That is what they are planning. And there is, because the resources is there for them to use it to achieve their goals. If they can be able to manipulate us. That is what I'm begging my people. I'm pleading to them. So that they will not fall into this victim of 10,000 naira, 5,000. That every year you will see, what they call it, election will come, they will begin to share small money. After then, they will just forget about you. That is exactly what they want to do our people now. They have already started from traditional rulers, the elites, red caps, that they tell you don't speak to them. Oh, they have brain. Oh, their brain is this and that. Oh, on this year with no thinking faculty. What am I going to ask them for? Why should I begin to plead to them why their sense is not working? They have no even common sense. Their sense is not working. They have cemented and walloped their brain that they cannot even just see common thing that is coming, things that is under their nose, they could not see it. So my people, we have to reason and understand that there is no two ways about it. Either we fight for Biafra to come, or we all will perish. Believe in me, and believe in me, there is no two ways about it. You will never have a place called home. You cannot. You can't. If Biafra never comes, you can never have a place called home. I'm keep on telling my people, but they think that I don't know what I'm saying. I have built also a house in that contraption, yes, but that is not my home. And some of you that have spent a lot of money, billions and millions, decorating your house, very, very soon, Fulani Alamajiri will occupy that house. Believe in me, if you people don't take time. I sip water. I sip water. I'm not a dead Bugatti. I'm not a dead Bugatti that cannot cough, that cannot sip water. And when we talk about it, they tell us don't say about it. Anytime you talk, they say don't speak. That is not your problem. Then what is our problem? The one that is our problem now that we want to guide, they tell you don't speak about it. A lot of people are coming against it. The Igbo. And after Igbo, and they deceive Galeono. And then who is a Mazen Namdekan? If Igbo, who is Mazen Namdekan is my question to you people. Or Yabo Mazen Namdekan, Obuni Igbo. Keep every day they will keep on deceiving our people. Every day they will keep on bringing some proverb that it has no meaning. Has no meaning. Even though the Israelites, they have king. Or talk less of we Igbo. And if a man that is working every day tirelessly to make sure that things that we are looking for comes to us. You keep on there and I say, if you people don't know, I will tell you, Mazen Namdekanu is the Eze that we have now. Now. You people should stop deceiving your people. Mazen Namdekanu have united every people in the bite of Biafra. Ever. I told you people before. I never see an Isoko man as my brother before. I keep on telling people. I know that Ijo people, they speak Igbos. I never saw Ijo people 5-7 years ago. Yes, I know that. But I never see them the way I'm seeing them today. I'm seeing them today. A person that we always communicate, always right now, is a person from Isoko. And before, I will never try something like this if it's not Mazen Namdekan. And you people are there just talking rubbish and saying you want to unite. And the one that Mazen Namdekan have done, what is that? Igbo Mweleze. Biafra have king. Biafra have a person that the world is proud. We have a Mazen Namdekan. We're proud of him for what he have done. Nobody in Africa have done it. Nobody. I am telling you. Nobody. Nobody. Thomas Sankara or what, the one that want to do, they'll kill him. That is why we are telling you that Mazen Namdekan is the one we're seeing today, and he is the king of Africa, the one. If you people like it, I know that some of people will dispute it, but because you see, not everybody will support the struggle of human rights. Not everybody, because some people are beneficiary of these problems. When somebody is beneficiary of a problem, do you think he will support it? He will never support it. That is the reason why you see. I want to tell you something that you people don't know. You see, according to the Bible, you know, all these things that we see that is happening right now. But let me finish about this, our ESN, before I will dive into another topic, because I have up to 3 topics to discuss today. So what I'm telling my people is that if you are joining the traditional rulers, if you are with all these red caps, all this Isiawo, ndi gamma segi fendi, ndi neme sokusi na eme oku, I'm telling you, ndi efulefu. Because I want to say it in the words that people will understand what I'm saying. Because if I'm beginning to speak it in English now, maybe I cannot go fia kafana agota the main topic. Ndi efulefu na ndi megeli, all how about traditional rulers. I'm not saying everybody. But I'm telling you, majority of them, they have no thinking faculty. Because if they does, they could have joined hands together and said, none of them have come out and spoke. None of them. That to show you how senseless and useless they are. Not all of them. I repeat, quote me right, not all of them. Because we can find, you know, when we are talking about the pastors in Nigeria, they are very bad people. They are corrupt. We can also find 1, 2. That they are good. But when the majority carries the vote, that is the reason why we are saying all of them. I want you people to understand a common, when somebody is speaking, I want you to just calm down and listen. Don't just rush and begin to say what you don't know. So whenever I'm saying the majority, when the majority are 90%, what the 10% will do, they cannot do nothing. That is why I'm begging my people, because it's not going to be easy for me and you. For you that are the side of the traditional rulers, that you that are the side of this small group of vigilantes that are forming themselves with the governors, having a meeting, sitting, talking, discussing how to bring ESN down, and you are among them discussing and eating with them. Believe me, it's not going to be easy for you too. I keep on telling people, very, very soon, all this thing we are saying, it will turn to suicide bombing. It will turn to suicide. Everybody will be killing. You see, listen, I don't know how to put this. I want to be controlling myself whenever I'm saying some things, but sometimes the spirit that is pushing me will keep on telling me, say what you want to say. Say your mind. I'm saying my mind, because this thing we are saying is something that is like we are seeing, but people cannot see it. You are telling me you want to bring Biafra in peace. Do you think that Biafra can come in peace? Those people that are your opposition, they are not coming in peace. And you are telling me that you want to actualize, you want to restore Biafra in peace. How can you think? Do you have that sense? Are you normal at all? Are you people normal? Are you people have sense at all? By telling me you can restore Biafra in peace, is it what you are telling me? Sitting in your comfortable zone, drinking with Fulani Alamadi, and you are telling me you will restore Biafra in peace. Listen to me, we have to tell ourselves the truth. That is the reason why we have ESN, Eastern Security Network. Those people that will defend when anything we spark up. That is why they are there. And we're supposed to have them now before they will come. But if you are waiting for them to come, then you will begin from there. Believe me, they will finish you people. Fulani Aramajiri, they are roaming around in every of our bushes, having AK-47. And you are there, sleeping on your comfortable zone, saying that Eastern region is the peaceful place. Ndi nkogeli ana akogeli, ndi na-ele ana anyị, a na-ele anyị anyị, ndị isi awa na-elesisi ya, ndị isi awa na-emefa invite ha bịaba, because they know that their time is over. Some of them they are 80 years, 90 years next to their grave. They are I don't know. Those people that will be still also be, they will also slave them. They will be under slavement. Those their kids, they are or they will use those to never. That is what I'm telling my people. I don't know how to put it in English, but I will try to make it the way people can also understand it. Our people say in adage, take a hand of monkey inside the soup before somebody will see it and say that it's a hand of person. Because when you look at monkey's hand and person, they are the same. So if somebody was not there, when they cook it, when you kill a monkey and make it with a soup, and you invite other people from outside, if you have a monkey hand, you have to eat it. You that killed that monkey have to eat it fast. Because if other people that did not know what that means, if they come, they will tell you, you kill a human being. Before our traditional rulers, our general, what they call them, I don't forget how they used to call this mad people. President General, small vigilantes, small groups, and down, and you people with your stupidity and you idiocy, you people are still listening to these people upon how they are killing your people, upon how they have stopped our mothers and fathers to go to farm, as they are raping our people every day. You are still listening to them. You see how stupid our people is. That is why they say that black people cannot do without their stomach. Fight for your freedom, to fight for you to be free. Look at my people, my brother, my sister. You see, we that are also living in Europe, is not good for us. Believe me, it's not good for us. I keep on telling people that Europe by themselves is not good for us. My people, I have been here in Europe for years. Do you know that every day Africa is the talk of Europe? In my place, if they want to, let me say, in my place, I remember last time, this year, we have a gathering eating. After the eating, we want to throw the rest of the food. They said, no, you don't have to throw it because in Africa, they don't have food. Africa is the talk of the every people of the world. When you come in Europe, when you go to America, when you go to Asia, they talk about Africa. That Africa is poor. Every single thing that you throw on the street, they will remember you, Africa. If you wear a cloth, your cloth is you have this cloth for a long time, you want to go and throw it, you will see every street here. I'm living in Germany. They will write it, they will post African picture. Every place, African picture. Black people is what they are posting there. Regardless, also in Asia, they have a poverty there, but they don't put Asia people. They put only African people. That to show you how down we are. And we are trying to change all this narrative. But our people don't seem to understand what we are doing. They think that we just want to be ranting and talking. We want to make things to be changed. We want the world to also see us as human. That is what we are trying to do, my people. Just get to understand what we are trying to build. So that when people see you, they will also look at you. Africa, there's a country that is good. Right? Don't talk to them like that. When you go to every bus stop in this Germany I am, you will see charity organization. All the whole pictures in the bus stop are African, black Africans. Pictures of black Africans. You can never see an Asian people there. You want to tell me there's no poverty in India? You want to tell me in Pakistan there's no poverty? You want to tell me in the Middle East there's no poverty? But you cannot see their picture. Because they regard them, because they know that in that Middle East, because they know that in that Asia, they have some country that compete with a Europeans. Schengen, that's a people that are competing with America. When you're talking about Asia, you talk about China, you talk about Singapore, you talk about Japan. Sorry, my people. You talk about Malaysia, all these countries. You come also in Middle East. You think that Lebanon, they are not good? The Iraq, Iran, they are fine. But everything Africa, can you just tell me a country in Africa is developed? Can you just tell me common country? They are telling you, that is why you see most of our brothers and sisters, when they see somebody in South Africa, they think that this person is living in Europe. That person is living in swamp. South Africa is a swamp. I'm telling you. Only two states or two cities are good. Johannesburg and Cape Town. I don't know, maybe there is other one too. Rest of them, and those places is where Oyibo people are living. You know, my people, let us be reasoning. Why they never tell you that, why they keep on telling you that South Africa is a third world? Because they are real third world country. Only the city, do that two city. Other people, go to Zulu, go to black communities in South Africa and see how they are living. They are living, they are impoverishing there. Poverty is full of them there. That is why they have xenophobia last time. They want to pursue all the foreigners because they thought that their problem is the foreigners. That is what we are trying to build. That is the sense we want our people to understand. That we want to make Africa, at least to have a 3 to 4 country in Africa. We have, I think we have almost 54 or 53 countries in Africa. Let us make only 5 to be functioning. 5. Those 5 can help the others. Because in Africa, we have what it takes. The resources is there. The manpower is there. Then why are we suffering? Have you ever asked yourself that question? Why are we suffering? Europeans will tell you the resources that the world need is in Africa. But you, as an African man, you are suffering. Have you seen any American black Americans ever come out and be proud that is from Africa? Some of them, they are black. They are telling you they are not African. But you will see a person from Asia, he will be proud. She will be proud of Asia. He will be proud because he knows that in Asia, they have more than 10 countries that are functioning, beautiful. Paradise. But in Africa, when you are telling them, they think that you don't know what you're saying. We that have come to Europe and see how standard Europe is, we're trying to build our country so that people will also see us as human. Believe me, they are not seeing us as I'm an abandoned man. I'm keep on telling our people for you to understand the mess we have put ourselves into. You see some of our black people in here, they will be telling you they live in Europe. All of them, their brain is dumped. They are dumping their brain. Everything they're doing it with black people. Because light is everywhere. They don't care. So now I'm telling my people, for those of you that are joining all this small vigilante, those of you that are going to collect small money, 10,000 naira once in 4 years, be careful. Don't put your life in danger. Because if we get to understand, Hara, your phone is ringing, please. Some of you that are going to join them, to think that if you get some of you that are thinking that if you join them and get 10,000 naira, that is good for you. Believe me, if we ever find you, you and your family will pay dearly. If we ever have kepu, you know that is why we are giving our people this grace, so that they will not put themselves or their family in danger. Don't do that. Don't do that. Your head will go. Your family head will go. That is why I'm telling my people that a time will come. Both you that are not against Biafra, both of you that are yapping, talking nonsense about Biafra, it will reach every one of us. So be careful of what you are doing. Be careful and just think twice. Think deeply before you join these people. Think deeply. Believe me, I'm begging you, my people. I'm pleading you because I know that when this thing was started, a lot of people will feel so much pain. I don't want these people to begin to call Mazen Namdekan that he is the one that are telling people to, but that is why we are here to warn people, to tell them, think deeply before you do what you have to do. Think deeply. That is why we are praying and begging people to go and begin to donate money and help the vigilantes, our vigilantes, ESN. Go and join them. We have been working on it so that people can fund you people and pay you people so that you can live fine, so that you can also be collecting money. Not you collect today, in 7 months you will not collect again. That is why we are pleading, telling people we are all indigenous people. We are all IPOB. Forget about the family members now. Let us talk about the real Biafran people. That is why we are begging any place you may find yourself, any community you may find yourself, any meeting you may belong. Try to do something. Organize yourselves. Make something. Man, onyinye. Happen kai onyinye ana enya no no. Not all onyinye. Ga no nyo onyinye. One tight to those people so that they can be able to fight till the end. Because Fulani they are coming. They will come. We keep on, they will come, my people. Reason, they are coming. They are coming, my people. Please, I'm begging you people, let us reason, let us use one mind, one set of mind to think and see what is about to come so that we can be able to defend ourselves, so that we can be able to wage this evil that is coming. They are on the way. They are on the way, my people. Let us reason. I'm begging, I'm pleading. Don't be selfish. Don't let people manipulate this your common sense. This common sense that Chukwu Okike might give to you, they want to use it for you. They want to use it against you. They want to manipulate it. They want to take it from you. And our people don't want to see that. That is why I'm here to tell my people, open your eyes and see. When you open your eyes and meditate and pray to Chukwu Okike, you can also see all these things that we are seeing. It's just common, simple, and it's open for every one of us to see it. It does not meant for some people to see all these things we are seeing. It meant for everybody. But if you can just sit down and reason and meditate, you will see it, and it will be open for you that they are coming. They are coming. They are coming. Thank you, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you, the great leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you, the Eyes of Africa, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you, Ohamadike, One of Africa. I thank you very much for what you have been doing. Regardless what people may talk about you, now I want to go to other topics today. Listen to me today. I want to tell you people, according to the Bible, we all have to understand that we are not righteous. We are not righteous. If Peter can deny Yahweh Yeshua, who are we? Who are we? If Peter can deny Yahweh Yeshua, who are we not to say that our fellow human beings are not the way it is? That is also what we have to think about. One of our brother from Edo said, that is from quotation from the Bible, that they spitted on Yahweh Yeshua. But as I'm talking to you today, everybody believed that Yahweh Yeshua is the Savior. But when Yahweh Yeshua was on the earth, preaching the gospel, nobody believed him. They were spitting on him. They were beating him. They were caning him. Some people, even though person that next to him, Peter, that knows that he is the sent by Chukwu Okike, he denied him. He denied. He want to tell me that he don't. He knows because they have already discussed about all this. They have already discussed about all this. They know that Yahweh Yeshua is the Messiah. They know. But guess what? Peter denied him. That is who we are. Because you know why? We are not righteous. We are not righteous. We meant to deny and deceive people. That is why I'm telling you, you see all those saga that is going on media, inside media, I want you people to just see it as just nothing. It will come. But at the end, you see, victorious will be ours. That is what I want our people to focus. Forget what is going on. We have our brothers and sisters today. I don't know what they call themselves. Listen to me. According to the Bible also, they said give what belongs to Caesar and give what belongs to Chukwu Okike to Chukwu Okike. You cannot be in the middle trying to plead two people. It's impossible. That is what they call ignorant. That is what they call stupidity. That is what they call you have no just common sense to reason. We have our people. You will say you love this, you love that. Believe in one person, because what I'm trying to tell you this, if you're trying to stay at the middle or in the middle, trying to look anywhere that good comes, you will follow them. Believe me, that as you put yourself in the middle as a bridge, whenever both of them, anybody that won, nobody will take you. Nobody, none of them will take you, because they know that you don't have that mindset to stand in who you believe. You cannot come and say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your leader. You cannot come now and be telling me that somebody that is castigating that person that make you to join the struggle. I heard the voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one that called me into this struggle. I don't hear the voice of anybody. I heard his voice. And since I heard his voice, I meditate and stay and look and think and watch and listen. Then I begin to understand that I have to follow this man. Regardless, I am with him. If you come to castigate him, I will castigate you. If you come to say something bad about him, I will say something bad about you. I cannot be in the middle. I can never be in the middle, supporting you and support. No, he is the one that called me. He is the one. When I'm saying called me, is his voice I heard before I joined this struggle. And I have saw a lot of things I have done. So people keep on asking what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu IPOB have done. If it's not a Mazi Nnamdi Kanu IPOB, will the international community talk about the killings of Christians? That is one of the highest thing that IPOB must can have done. I know that sometimes when you call some people as a debate, if you are not an IPOB, when they call you as a debate, you can't know what to answer. You can't know it. If it's not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu IPOB, how can international community talk about the Christians? Do you know that one of the what they call it, representatives of Zoo called Nigeria, Garuba Shehu, he said it. Garuba Shehu said it, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is using Christians, the killings of Christians, to gain sympathizer from outside the country. He called his name. He called his name. But people have already forgotten. They have already forgotten. They are talking about the camps in a northern part of Nigeria. Who made them talk about that? Who made them talk about that? When they begin to give Nigerian sanctions, trying to stop them going to America, which people said, go to Garuba Shehu. Garuba Shehu have said all this. Garuba Shehu said it, not me. Because some of us, when they call you or you enter somebody's program, those that are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they will be asking you what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done. You don't know, because you are not an IPOB. You are not following the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are not following Nigerian, what is happening in that zoo called Nigeria. If you are following it, you have a lot of answers to give to them. I don't go to their page because they are ignorant and morons. They are discussing about Nigerian today. Who are the people? Go and ask Garuba Shehu. Go and ask Garuba Shehu. Go and ask Lai Mohammed. Go and ask Lai Mohammed. They will tell you all this. They have already made the publication. They have said about it. They have talked.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.